Ever wondered how safe your money is with a digital-first business account like Tide? It's a question a lot of business owners, especially freelancers and small businesses, ask when they're considering moving away from traditional high street banks. Let's break it down. When you hear about a digital business account, the first thing to understand is that not all of them are banks. And that's true for Tide. Tide is a financial technology company, or fintech, not a bank itself. So, what does that mean for your money safety? Well, Tide partners with a licensed UK bank called Clearbank. This is a crucial detail. Your money isn't just sitting in a digital void, it's held in a bank account with Clearbank. And because of this partnership, your eligible deposits are protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, also known as the FSCS. This is the same protection you get with any major UK bank. It means that if something were to happen to Clearbank, your money, up to £85,000, is protected. Beyond that, Tide has a bunch of its own security features. They're ISO 27001 certified, which is an internationally recognized standard for information security management. On a more practical level, they use two-factor authentication, a strong app-based security system, and give you the ability to instantly freeze your card if it's lost or stolen. They also have an in-app system for reporting fraud and providing 24/7 support for lost or stolen cards. Tide security isn't just about what they do, it's also about what they're required to do. As a financial platform regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, they have to follow strict rules to protect their customers and prevent financial crime. They even perform routine reviews on accounts to ensure they're being used within their terms of service, which is a standard industry practice. Ultimately, while Tide is not a traditional bank, the combination of its partnership with a FSCS-protected bank and its robust security measures means your money is in safe hands. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.